Canada Thistle is an invasive plant commonly found throughout the Midwestern United States. This plant is a creeping perennial, growing and spreading year after year. It thrives in wet areas and is a significant issue for farmers, causing greater crop losses than other weeds have. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify this weed, how to get rid of it from your property, and how to prevent it from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Canada Thistle is a perennial weed that grows up to 5 feet in height. The plant emerges in spring as a rosette, meaning the leaves grow outward in a circular arrangement. The leaves are lance-shaped, with lobes that become more irregular and deep as the plant gets older. From June to August, Canada Thistle bolts and produces several umbrella-shaped flowers. These can be purple, pink, or pale pink in color. When the plant reaches maturity, it will then produce fluffy seeds that will disperse in the wind, much like dandelion seeds. After producing seeds, the plant will die and grow back next season thanks to its taproot. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Canada Thistle grows well in disturbed soil with regular aeration that has full or partial access to sunlight. Common sites include but are not limited to pastures, fields, croplands, fallow land, forest openings, and roadsides. Look around your property and take note of where thistle is growing or where it can grow. Be on the lookout for rosettes in the spring and carefully observe the leaves to identify the plant. If it's late in the growing season, you can easily find Canada Thistle by looking for its flowers. It's important to control Canada Thistle before the plant produces seeds, as these weeds will spread rapidly by seed or even by stolen. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and animals out of any treated areas until after the products have fully dried. To eliminate Canada Thistle growing in lawns, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled to kill your targeted weed and won't harm your turf grass. Since Canada Thistle is prevalent in the Midwestern United States, we recommend herbicides containing 2,4-D, like 2,4-diamine. 2,4-diamine is labeled to kill a wide variety of weeds without harming select cool season lawns. If Canada Thistle is growing in warm season lawns or in non-lawn areas, you may have to use a non-selective herbicide that contains an active ingredient like glyphosate. Non-selective herbicides kill any plant they are applied to, including grass. For the purpose of this video, we'll cover controlling this weed with 2,4-diamine. 2,4-diamine has different application rates depending on the application site. When using 2,4-diamine to control weeds in ornamental turf, the labeled application rate for this product is 3.16 pints of concentrate per 1 acre. For smaller applications, this breaks down to 1.1 fluid ounces of concentrate applied over 1,000 square feet. In pastures and rangelands, mix 1 to 4 pints of concentrate in 1 to 30 gallons of water per acre. For smaller areas, you can mix 3/4 to 1 whole fluid ounce of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. In fallow lands, mix 4 pints of concentrate into 10 gallons of water. For small applications, we recommend you mix and apply your herbicide with a handheld pump sprayer. Larger applications over acres of space may call for a spray rig or other ground application equipment. To enhance the effectiveness of your herbicide application, use a surfactant like Nanotech. Nanotech is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. When using Nanotech, just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. When using a handheld sprayer, spot treat any Canada Thistle you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. Applications are most effective when the plant is budding before seed production. If the plants are close to producing seeds, you may need to mow the plant to prevent the weed from spreading. The taproot will survive and grow a new plant over the next year, providing another opportunity to apply chemical control. Keep in mind that mechanical removal alone is not recommended, as it is easy to leave even a small part of the taproot in the ground when pulling weeds. As long as a portion of the taproot remains alive, weeds like Canada Thistle will continue to grow and take resources away from your other plants. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. Since Canada Thistle prefers disturbed soil with regular aeration, reduce the amount of ground disturbance caused by machinery, cars, and grazing animals. Make a note of the locations of both past and present infestations of this weed and treat them as needed using 2,4-diamine. The best way to control this weed is to continue applying post-emergent treatments on a regular basis. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop weeds like Canada Thistle from taking over your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.